Rage on that beat, going crazy. Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Solo. शिवा कुठे आहे शिवा शिवा कुठे आहे शिवा शिवा पिक्चर पिक्चर एक्सलेंट back to front.
Rage on that beat, going crazy. Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Out of respect to the designers, please turn off your mobile phones. We
सर सर आपका फोटो अर्जुन सर एक फोटो अर्जुन सर आगे अर्जुन सर अर्जुन सर एक फोटो फोटो सर आ रहे हो
आज हम दोस्त हैं राइट में सर कौन है सर थोड़ा टर्न हो जाइए
सर यहाँ पे
ग्रोवर साहब
नाम तरीका
सर थोड़ा टर्न हो जाइए सर सर ग्रोवर साहब यहाँ पे
अरे थोड़ा पीछे चलिए एक स्टेप ऑन योर राइट राइट सेंटर सेंटर
क्या बोलतो
हाँ भैया हाँ मैं दे दिया आज ही मैंने दे दिया हाँ मेरे पास
ओके सर
बाय यहाँ पे अली भाई यहाँ पे
अली भाई राइट में अरे इधर ये
बैक सीट पे जाना
जाइए राइट में
मैम यहाँ पे
राइट में
हाँ
राइट में मैम राइट में
दीक्षा जी मैम यहाँ पर नहीं
एकदम सामने आपको लेफ्ट से चल यहाँ पे देखिए
अली भाई
अली भाई यहाँ पे
सर सामने सर
नाइस
एक मिनट
अरे कितनी फॉलो करना हमारा ना भेटला दादा इकडे इकडे मिडल में भी मैं हमारा
मछली इतना लोग बोलेगा
अरे नहीं करेंगे भाई
जो डिजाइनर बोलेगा तो डिजाइनर
इसका में इलाहाबाद अनामत
कैमरा ऊपर देखना मोबाइल नहीं सब जगह
थैंक यू
मैं आ रहा हूँ क्या मैं
और टर्न हो जाएगी
सर लुक क्या
सेंटर लोग सेंटर ना उधर लुक सेंटर जानवी जी
जानवी यहाँ पे जानवी यहाँ पर
पानी
यहाँ पे सर यहाँ पे
विशाल हिंदी में हाँ
हाँ हिंदी मातृभाषा
पहला क्वेश्चन ही
पहिला कोण पहिला ओके जानवी ऑडियो लेफ्ट जानवी सेंटर
करो यार
Thank you. We have everyone together. Shishir, Saurabh, and Nishit as well.
लेने का
Please hand out one mic. We'll juggle through the mics right now. Not wasting any more time, ladies and gentlemen. Kalki unveiled in the Inara collection at Lakme Fashion Week XFTCI. We have with us Shishir Gupta, Saurabh Gupta, and Nishit Gupta, directors at Kalki, and of course the showstoppers, the muses, Aditya Roy Kapoor and Janhvi Kapoor. I think they don't want to waste their time clapping. They want to stare. Shishir, Nishit, and Saurabh, we could hear from you about the unveiling of Inara today. Anything that you mentioned? Do you want to mention about the collection? Of course, congratulations for this beautiful launch.
Thank you so much. Yes, so Inara is quite special for us, to be honest. because we've like really explored the riot of colors this time. We've gone into territories that we are not always, our customers are not accustomed to seeing it. So we've gone into very vivid colors and yet keeping it very subtle. So there are beautiful tones of citrus green. I love the color that Janvi's wearing, of course. It's a deep burgundy and it's looking stunning. And we, of course, got our first male showstopper this time. So, I mean, that's special for us. So.
Anything else that you'd like to mention as well? Having them today walk through your collection.
So yeah, like the basic all and so elegant. I think they represent what we would like to showcase from this collection, and I think we couldn't have asked for better.
Let's hear it for the showstopper themselves. I think the show literally stopped when you guys walked out. How does it feel to be the first showstopper for Kalki?
No, I'm excited to be the first showstopper. First of many, I'm sure.
Male showstopper.
I hope. Many walk for you. Right. Yeah. And no, I really love the collection. I got a proper look at it, I have to be quite honest. I got a full look at it during rehearsals, where all the models were coming out and I was telling Janvi that, listen, I should have worn this, I should have worn that. And that's a good sign because that means they were all interesting and all stuff that I felt like I would have wanted to wear. So yeah, I'm really happy.
Great. Janvi, good to hear from you as well. Your vision tonight, how does it feel?
Thank you so much, and all thanks to the team over here for giving me such a beautiful piece. And I'd like to congratulate them on, I think, a stunning show, a beautiful collection, and I'm really happy that we could be a part of it.
Well, congratulations are in order for Kalki, for Aditya, and Janvi.
Clap for ourselves. Thank you.
Can we all clap for them?
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Congratulations, Kalki.
Bites.
भाई जल्दी जल्दी फोटो ले लो
Smile, big smile.
लगाना पड़ेगा
ठीक है ना भाई
हाँ वायर कम है ना
ये मोबाइल नीचे
हाँ ठीक है
मैं थोड़ा नीचे
चलो बस क्लियर भाई क्लियर करो
क्लियर
भाई क्लियर करो फोटोग्राफर
चलो भाई
हेलो
फोटो वाले हम
फोटो वाले हटिया भाई
हटे जा भाई बहुत देर से खड़े हो
आजा इधर
भाई पोडियम आगे रख देना पोडियम प्लीज आगे यार पूरे यार
प्रकाश इकडे
अरे रुको भाई तुम हाथ लगाओ अरे हाथ तो हटाओ तुम इधर आ क्या होता है
अरे हटो भाई वीडियो ही नहीं भाई ऐसा बाइट कैसा होएगा भाई
अरे बस हो गया ना और कितना आगे
As both a feud and House of Lakme presented an approach to fashion next beauty that enables you to flaunt the artistry of nature. From covering up flaws to enhancing what nature gave you, it's now time for the ultimate face definition with the Lakme multiple Slayer sticks. We have with us Sunanda Khaitan, Vice President Lakme, Rahul Mishra, and of course, the showstopper, House of Lakme brand ambassador, Ananya. Sunanda, if you could hear for you first, we just saw yet another spectacular Lakme grand finale to life. What else to
As a start, it's been about 25 years. Every grand finale, Lakme brings a new beauty trend to India. And this time we were thinking that life has changed so much for us. We actually want very high performance but easy to use and easy to wear makeup. to sculpt our faces. When we took it to Rahul, I think Rahul and Divya actually were a seamless collaboration because Rahul and Divya are so inspired by nature, and he immediately said that nature is the ultimate sculptor. So for us, it actually redefined what Lakme was thinking. Your beautiful face that nature has given you. We said it is the dawn of makeup 2.0, where you stop covering your face, but you actually enhance the natural sculpting of your features. And Rahul and Divya have done a stunning job, as you saw today, to show you what the sculpting trend in fashion could be. So I couldn't be more thrilled and thankful. Thank you.
Sunanda, if you could also tell us what makes the Lakme multi-layer stick so special?
Guys, to everybody, if you're a makeup pro or a minimalist, we have to stop getting intimidated by makeup. So many tools, so many layers, so many products. Just 2 sticks of a Lakme multi-layer sticks and you will be able to do your entire face. It's foundation, contour, blush and highlighter in a stick. And we are super proud that we're decomplicating makeup and making it very simple to use. I almost feel like this is the power dressing for makeup, and women need this to rule anywhere, boardroom or otherwise. So please try it.
So well put. Thank you, Sunanda. Rahul, congratulations. This was a few Rahul Mishra's first show in India. How does it feel?
It's amazing. Actually, this was my, I think, show in Bombay after 6-7 years. So, it's like homecoming. It's great. Last 3 days have been really fun. And when we got the opportunity, I'm very thankful to Lakme, Ashby, Rise World, MPCI, and everybody who has put it together. Thank you, everyone. So the idea is, when we look at a sculpt, it's inspired from a basic idea of Michelangelo when he said famously that all the sculptures are already trapped inside the stone blocks. We have to just free them. So it's often the technique of subtraction. So the first part was subtraction, and we saw that like those pyramid kind of blocks, they also kind of sculptural blocks, and how the clothes are coming out, they're kind of trapped inside those. That's the literal idea. And then second portion of the collection was addition. How when you add color, texture, form to a sculpture, how it becomes closer to art. So that's the whole idea. So when we look at this whole exercise, it was quite fun at a studio level also. And the whole team, everybody works days and nights. So, yeah.
Tell us a little bit about your association, House of Lakme.
So, yeah,
Divya, please.
I think Sunanda has well explained the new stick range which has been launched, and we are very glad to collaborate this season for a home collection from Paris, but it's special because it's a home brand which is there on the global platform, and that's what Lakme let us do. I mean, let us bring the inspiration and everything here. That's how you see the Sculptors Lab here today for the grand finale. And Ananya, thank you so much. This is the second in 2 months, and you have been our constant muse, young, stunning, talented actress we have. Big cheers to Lakme Fashion Week, Reliance Brands Limited, Rise World, and FDCI, and the entire hard-working team for the finale who have been working days and nights. Thank you, dear everybody.
Well, if you could hear from you, Ananya, as the Lakme brand ambassador, how does it feel to walk for Rahul Mishra's A Few and House of Lakme tonight?
Well, my mic is well, it's on? It feels great. I think this is the most fun I had walking on the ramp. I felt very easy, cool and edgy walking, and even the music choice with the boom boom playing in the background. It was so much fun. So I had a great time. I've had the longest association with House of Lakme. It's been 6 years now. and I'm always treated like the favorite child. So I love it.
And tell us a little bit about your glamorous, sculpted, snatched look.
Yeah.
Fashion and beauty both.
No, so my favorite thing about Rahul's work is it's inspired by nature, and I love the whole Michelangelo theory and the way you put it into action. And he really knows how to make anyone feel beautiful. The way his garments fit a body, it feels like it was almost made for us. And the inspiration of nature, even this is air, fire, earth, water, a few. So I love that. I love that you bring awareness while portraying such beautiful fashion. So Divya and him and the entire team has done a great job.
Congratulations to House of Lakme. Congratulations to Rahul Mishra Zafiu. And of course, it has been a pleasure having you and Anya. That concludes the 5 days of Lakme Fashion Week GCI and the House of Brand Lakme Grand Finale. We will see you all next season. Thank you so much.
थोड़ा आगे ले ले
आगे रख दे भाई फोटो हो गया फोटो कितने बार हो गया फोटो बाजू विजुअल नहीं हुआ है ना
मैं लिया विजुअल कितना दिन भर से इतना विजुअल ही लिया
अनन्या ऊपर
एनडीटीवी का है
चल
एनडीटीवी Oh, you're. I freaked out. I didn't see it. Wherever she is, go. That's what
हा कोण एवढं पुढे गेला
तो दुसऱ्याला पकडायला पोडियम थोड़ा आगे ले लेना बस तू बस क्या
यस टू बैक ए लाइट व्हाइट नको लाव
हाँ करतो है ब्राउन करतो टेंशन नहीं होना
समथिंग कंट्रोल
अरे ये क्या है भाई
I'm very, very excited. Absolutely, I walk and I feel like doing it all over again. And this venue is very, very special. I love the
लाइट चेंज कर दिया है
juxtaposes very, very well. And yeah, I'm very comfortable and happy. And when I'm comfortable, I'm the most.
What's the best part of this?
Best part about this outfit, it's like it is with all of Rahul's pieces. It's the inspiration of nature. There's always an element of it. And I love the way every Rahul feels like it was made.
So this outfit actually, like what happens when you make a sculpture, you know, often as I one is in some precaution take out not just material, you also take out
फेस लाइट में है
sometimes color, sometimes texture. So tone on tone or a sculptural element of nature. Normally a leaf in real life would not look like this. Or tone on tone feel would not look like this. That's how usually when you look at a marble statue, it has got all the life, although the color, texture is also missing from it. It's completely monolithic. Center camera. That's how this outfit takes shape.
जब आप पहली बार
फुटे टाकला ले आपण
सेंटर कैमरा बोला
हां लेपल की
बहुत सारी बातें हुई थी बहुत लेकिन आज जब मैं
पहली बार जब मैं
थोड़ा सा अनन्या कैन यू कम फॉरवर्ड अनन्या
Nice 2 questions. So
किए तो उसके लेकिन आज जब फाइनली हमने आपका वर्क देखा इट वाज परफेक्ट एज अ शो स्टॉपर एज अ एक्ट्रेस एज अ मॉडल तो व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू से
आपने सब कुछ कह दिया. I just want to say thank you so much.
पहले बहुत बातें थी लेकिन अब ऐसे बोले एकदम शार्प वर्क था
I hope my next time all be better. हो गया.
चल
अनन्या थैंक के लिए आपके लिए फैशन का क्या महत्व है व्हाट्स फैशन फॉर यू
फैशन आई थिंक कंफर्ट है और जिसमें मैं हैप्पी हूँ जिसमें मुझे लगता है कि आई एम द मोस्ट माई सेल्फ एंड विद राहुल एंड दिव्या एंड एक्चुअली लैक्मे हाउस ऑफ लैक्मे दे ऑलवेज मेक मी फील द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल एज माई सेल्फ मुझे और कुछ नहीं करना लाइफ में बस अनन्या बनना है दैट्स गुड.
thank you so much. Thanks everyone so much. We'll see you next season. Thanks a lot.
नेक्स्ट सीजन में नहीं
उल्लू को बोल बात पर्सनल हमारे इधर आ गया, ये बाद में लेने दो ना। अरे कौन है रे मरी? शहनाज जी पहले पिक्चर कर लेते।
Ladies and gentlemen, Diksha Khanna unveiled a cosmopolitan canvas of style that brought a new fashion focus on the ramp at Lakme Fashion Week XFTCI. We have with us the designer Diksha Khanna herself and her muse Shehnaz. Diksha, wanted to understand from you, how does it feel to see your collection that you walked on translate down the runway today?
It's surreal. It's amazing. As always, you know. LFW in partnership with FDCI just gives an amazing platform to all our designers. And this time it was with Shehnaz, so it was extra special. She's a lovely person, and that beauty shows inside out. And yes, it's amazing. Yes.
And if you could tell us about the collection a little.
Yes. So the collection is called Asymmetrical Precision. What that essentially means is for us that we are staying in a concrete jungle, you know, probably in a city like Bombay. But we are always trying to find our own Zen, our inner Buddha, amongst this chaos which we all are surrounded by. So if you see in the collection, it's very grunge when you see denim, but at the same time you have this flow in the jacket, the ruching coming up, which is giving kind of fluidity to the whole collection. So yeah, it's just marrying the opposite elements together. Yeah.
Shehnaz, आपको कैसा लग रहा है दीक्षा के लिए वॉक करके आज?
लुक सेंटर।
बहुत अच्छा लगा यार, बहुत ही कूल है ये। जैसे इनके कपड़े हैं वैसे इनकी वाइब है और वैसा ही इन्होंने आर्टिस्ट चूज किया है। बहुत अच्छा लगा इनके साथ काम करके एंड थैंक यू फॉर चूजिंग।
Super glad, pleasure is all mine.
आप पहले भी फैशन वीक पे आ चुके हो, यू वॉक द रैम्प। आपको कैसा लग रहा है इस लुक में? दिस इज अ डिफरेंट लुक फॉर यू। कैसा लगा आज आपको रनवे पे चल के इस शो स्टॉपर लुक के साथ?
लैक्मे फैशन वीक के साथ मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम है, बहुत अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस था एंड ये लुक इट्स लाइक चल के फील हुआ, इट्स लाइक यो ब्रो वाली वाइब है। हाउ आर यू?
That's so Shehnaz.
I'm comfortable bro and what's about it? It's like that and I enjoyed. I'm feeling like going to airport right now after this.
बहुत अच्छा लगा आपको देख के। Congratulations Diksha, this has been a stellar showcase. Thank you so much Shehnaz, you look beautiful, this is amazing. Congratulations again. We'll do quick photos and then bites.
पोडियम आगे ले ले, पोडियम थोड़ा आगे नहीं थे और आगे जाना, हमारे पीछे हो, इतना हो तो उतना पीछे, हमारे पीछे हो खड़ा एक नंबर हमारे पीछे
Bites.
आ जा शहनाज जी।
Shehnaz, where would you like to wear this?
Already said airport.
Airport
एयरपोर्ट में भी डाल सकते हैं, कैजुअल कहीं भी मीटिंग्स
शहनाज सामने चले ना,
बस नहीं डाल सकते।
सेंटर लुक मैम।
शहनाज लुक सेंटर। नहीं भाई कौन है?
पहली बार लैक्मे फैशन वीक में काफी अच्छा लगा, काफी अच्छी आपकी एंट्री
एक
हुई।
मिनट अभी ये मत भेजना क्योंकि ये मैंने डाल दिया कुछ और। हाँ
बोलो। शहनाज जी काफी अच्छा लगा, काफी अच्छी एंट्री हुई पहली बार लैक्मे फैशन वीक में।
पहली बार फैशन
लैक्मे
हाँ हाँ
क्या नर्वसनेस थे, एक्साइटेड थे वॉक करने के लिए, क्योंकि वी ऑल नो लैक्मे फैशन इज द बिगेस्ट ब्रांड।
यस,
टेल अस समथिंग अबाउट इट।
मुझे जब मैं बैक स्टेज होती हूँ तब थोड़ा डर लगता है, पर जब मैं स्टेज में चली जाती हूँ तो मुझे बिल्कुल डर नहीं लगता, फिर मैं छोड़ देती हूँ।
एंड लुक के बारे में बताइए एंड एक्सेसरीज के बारे में। ये पहली बार मैंने पर्सनली पहली बार देखा आपको ये इस तरह का एक्सेसरीज पहनने के। क्या वजह?
स्टाइल किया है, मुझे डिफरेंट करना था, थोड़ा कूल वाइब अकॉर्डिंग टू कपड़े स्टाइल करना था, तो ये क्रेडिट इनको जाता है। आप इनसे पूछोगे तो ज़्यादा बेटर है।
If you can tell us more about the paintings and the embellishments.
So Simi, like I said, it's an amalgamation of opposites.
Yeah.
It's grunge coming with fluidity, the way we are coexisting in the world right now in a city like Bombay.
And you see the garment, it has little shape, it has very soft gathers coming. And then reverse panting on the pant. Yeah, on the jumpsuit. So that is grunge meeting with fluidity. And she was on fire, I felt. Right? Yeah. It was amazing.
इनको थोड़ा लेट एक्सपीरियंस किया पर टाइम फायर वैसे भी फायर
हाँ बोलूँ
शहनाज में आप रियल लाइफ में काफ़ी चुलबुली नहीं है, वहीं दूसरी तरफ आपको देखा जाए तो आप काफ़ी फैशनेबल भी हैं, तो आपकी ज़िंदगी में फैशन के क्या मायने हैं?
फैशन का क्या मायने होता है? पर अच्छा दिखना और अलग अलग स्टाइल करना, अपने ऊपर क्या क्या मतलब मैं एक्सपीरियंस करती हूँ हमेशा कि ये भी सूट कर सकता है। मुझे लगता है मैं हर चीज़ को कैरी कर सकती हूँ बहुत कंफर्टेबली, कुछ भी हो चाहे। सो मेरे लिए तो यही है स्टाइल का मतलब, बस जैसी ड्रेस हो वैसे बन जाओ।
शहनाज जी, अगर पहले की बात करें और अब की बात करें, आपके फैशन में काफ़ी कुछ चेंजेस आए हैं। सो व्हाट मोटिवेट्स यू रिगार्डिंग फैशन?
मुझे लगता है जब थोड़ा बंदा अमीर होने लगता है तभी ये चीज़ें कर पाता है इंसान। मन तो सबका करता है हम भी अच्छे दिखें, स्टाइलिंग करें सबको, बट पैसा मैटर्स अ लॉट। अगर पैसा है तो सब कर सकते हैं, अगर पैसा नहीं है तो फिर नहीं।
दीक्षा जी, स्पेशली ये जो एक्सेसरीज है काफी अच्छी लग रही है, उसके बारे में व्हाट वाज द रीजन बिहाइंड इट?
But thoda sa, we had to give that bold pop on her beautiful face, which was clean. So I thought this ring would be really nice. And she carried it beautifully.
लुकिंग वेरी गुड। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू।
Thank you.
बोथ। ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि इंडिया में ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल मैं
लेके जाओ ना, पर्सनल इंटरव्यू चल रहा है।
सबसे पसंदीदा क्या है?
सामने देखिए, सेंटर
दोनों ही। आप अगर मुझे पूछोगे आपको आपकी लेफ्ट आई ज़्यादा पसंद है या फिर राइट, मैं कहूँगी थैंक यू गाइस।
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
हाँ, एयरपोर्ट जाने वाली? नहीं एयरपोर्ट नहीं जाने वाली, वहाँ मत पहुँच जाना।
टीम अलर्ट कर देते।
नहीं टीम अलर्ट मत करना, क्योंकि अभी मैं जस्ट इसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ।
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच शहनाज।
ज़्यादा सीरियस मत लेना। यो ब्रो।
Thank you, Disha. Thank you, Shanaz.
थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू।
एक विजुअल कर लेते हैं। शहनाज जी, एक आपका सोलो विजुअल चाहिए, एक सोलो। एक।
अरे पीछे आओ ना, पीछे आ रहे हैं अंबानी।
क्या बात?
बाद में चल।
Why I'm not doing picture? She's just doing a visual.
बहुत लोग आ जाएंगे।
अरे जिसको मिलनी है वो ले लो।
हाँ जी, बस ऐसे ही।
ये बाद में सेल्फी ले।
पीछे बस शहनाज, please be quiet. हाँ, गिरी पड़ना, अगली बार सेलिब्रिटी को गिरा देना।
बस खत्म कहानी। रिपोर्टर येणार आता 3 वाजेपर्यंत। विशाल भाई आओ जी। वाह बच्चों, लाइट दो। वेट। सोलो। भाई कर रहा है
यहाँ पे।
लाइट हो रहे बच्चों लोग।
Ladies and gentlemen,
Yo.
the label Nirmoha brought a new fashion focus on the ramp at Lakme Fashion Week XFTCI. We have with us the designer Preeti Jain and her muse Abhimanyu Dasam. Preeti, if you could hear from you on Iktara and the collection in general.
Culture is very close to my heart. And it's the combination of the modern silhouettes and the traditional art of India, which is like being showcased through embroidery. And it has a lot of pieces like when you also wearing this, and I think he also wore the leather cake. And actually, I wanted to bring the gender fluid collection. So if you've noticed that the male model was wearing the same pants which I'm wearing, so like the male also can carry the same pants. So like, I hope you all enjoyed the show.
Truly beautiful. If you could tell us about this showstopper company as well.
Yeah.
In general, anything that details, the techniques, anything that the media, because they'll be interested to know how this was put
Yeah,
together.
when you opened the show and I gave this sheer shirt to him because I thought it's very his own style. And then I paired it with the jacket, which is giving like very luxe look to make it very party wear.
Sure.
That's how it came to my mind and I designed like that.
My own style doesn't mean I'm like always shirtless. No, I think it's a beautiful
I meant the
combination.
young one.
Yeah. I think it's a beautiful combination. It's elegant, it's covered enough, at the same time it shows enough. So it's like adds that tone of mystery. And like she said, Ekatra, right? So it's a amalgamation of two different types. It's Indian traditional and the Western, the modern culture that's come together. And you can see that in the outfit. There's a flowy version of it, and it's like there's a silhouette that is created. And most of the designs, she was telling me, very impressive. Her ideas have come from the abstract designs that are in nature. So kind of taking that and then using embroidery and I won't know the materials
The
because
prints,
of that.
even the prints.
But yeah, that's what she's put on here. So there's a lot of thought that goes behind that, and I think you can see that.
How was your experience walking the runway today and being at Lakme Fashion Week XMPCI for Preeti?
It was fun. She made it very, very welcoming and very easy for me to. Obviously, when you give clothes where they fit you well, then you feel nice. Or like any clothes that fit you well, you feel nice. Once you feel nice, then you look nice. If you look nice, nice things happen to you. Something like that. We get this. But I'm guessing it clearly shows that I had a good time walking. I hope that you guys enjoyed. That was my first walk on the ramp.
Congratulations, that was a great walk.
Thank you.
And congratulations, Preeti. This has been a stellar showcase. Each time you're here, you bring something new to the table. And wishing you all the best. We want to see you back again. And Abhimanyu, you just
believe with me.
It's on cameras.
आइए अभिमन्यु भाई वाइट कलर मैम दोनों लाइट्स firstly congratulations for the first walk. As you just said, tell us something, how excited, how nervous were you for the Lakme Festival?
Excited, not nervous really. We've all done a lot of walks, but this time you're doing it in 500 people. But it was exciting. And like I said earlier, once you wear clothes that fit you well and you feel good about it, once you feel good about it, then things just happen to be easy. Your flow comes easily, your walk gives you the confidence, what you're wearing gives you confidence. So all props to the design.
What was the best part of this outfit? You want to say something about what made you so comfortable about this outfit?
It fits me right, number one. Number two, it gives you glances so that you can kind of use your imagination, but not at the same time. We don't force feed the imagination. So, fashion for me, I think simple, elegant, should make you feel good, and very important to dress for the weather. Most people forget to dress for the weather, and I think that's it.
अभिमन्यु फैशन की अगर हम बात करें तो बचपन से फैशन के अंडर ही आप
बचपन से कुछ फैशन नहीं देखा है मैंने, कुछ फैशन नहीं सुना है मैंने, कुछ फैशन पढ़ा नहीं है.
तो कोई तीन ऐसी चीज जो जब आप रेडी होते हो तो यू वांट दिस थ्री थिंग्स शुड बी परफेक्ट, क्या होगा आपके लिए?
मेरे लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है that you need to smell good.
Right.
तो एक अच्छा फ्रेग्रेंस बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है मेरे लिए. दूसरा, जैसे मैंने कहा कि इजी फिटिंग क्लोथ्स, जो क्लोथ्स आपको फिट होते हैं, जो आपके बॉडी के लिए बने हैं, वो पहनने से एक आपका पोस्चर बेटर हो जाता है, आपका लुक बेटर हो जाता है, एंड व्हाट इज इनसाइड कम्स आउटसाइड इफ यू आर वेयरिंग व्हाट यू फील. वैसे कुछ रखोगे तो आई थिंक दीज आर द इम्पोर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट्स फॉर मी. अगर जब तैयार हो रहा हूँ तो मुझे अच्छा फील चाहिए, तो वो चीज़ अच्छी फील करती है. स्मेलिंग गुड, और अगर आपको
Five. Himanshu, you are making it too hard for him, right?
5. My wardrobe was only 5. Summer essentials, you said. Yeah. Your sunscreen. Don't forget your sunscreen. Linens, right? Stick to white, beige. Those colors look really nice. Look at him.
He is for icon fashion.
And what else?
sunscreen, and drink a lot of water. Pani to pite rehna chahiye, right? Especially in the summer.
And perfume again.
Yeah. See, this is something that you can wear in the summer also because it's really airy, and so it gives you that help. You can wear it at both the functions, like kind of formal and like a party. Exactly. So
Fashion tips for men.
fashion tips for men. Fashion tips for men. Wear clothes that fit you.
Yes,
Yeah, and they fit you well.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Thank you so much.
Diwali wise.
Sorry, would you like to come here?
She is traveling for work. Not bad.
तेरे को है क्या?
भाई भाई इधर ही खड़े हो। ये लाइट दे।
अच्छा
बैकड्रॉप आ रहा है?
हाँ ये
इधर खत्म ना अभी अडानी अमन झाला निकला
अडानी नहीं यार अंबानी
पहले दिन से बोल रहा हूँ
Thank you so much.
पहले दिन से बता रहा हूँ
It's okay, Sonu. उसके बाद करेंगे. Sejal and Sonal, if I request you to join us. Yeah.
सुनो मैम
मैम थोड़ा सेंटर
मिलेगा आपको
लाइट मारना दादा लाइट
हाँ फुल टैग लाइट मार दे चलो यार को बोल लाइट मारना
पीआर को लाइट बोल मारने के लिए
right so yeah
Solo ne karna. Solo is the part of me. If I could request Charu, Vasundhara, and Dinah to also join, so we can do this all together. Yeah, especially impact sector.
अरे भाई
Yeah. Just a
थोड़ा ले
Vidansha, if you could also hand out the mics. Thank you. One this side. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, One Infinite presented the glittery collections of Sejal Kamdar and Charu and Vasundhara at Lakme Fashion Week FDCI. We have with us Krishna Chaturvedi, co-founder of One Infinite, Sejal Kamdar with her muse Sonal Chauhan, Charu and Vasundhara with their muse Dinah Penty. Krishna, if we could hear from you first. One Infinite is known to bring some of the best showcases at Lakme Fashion Week FDCI and giving a platform to designers to sort of showcase these really glittering, nice collections. How does it feel to see this down the runway today?
Thank you so much. As One Infinite team, we are really excited to be part of this Lakme Fashion Week in association with FDCI. This time our responsibility is greater because we are co-sponsors and we are committed to bring you new talent from every corner of the country and talented designers like Chavan and Sejal. Today you've seen. Yesterday we had 3 other talented designers and how beautifully they've carried the outfit. And Dinah has been part of our shows for I think every season. And Sonal also very nicely she carried. They were effortless and beautiful. We are really happy and proud to be part of this event. And we can talk about the collection. Sure. Thank you.
Sejal, if we could hear from you about the collection of Silver Spurs.
So it's inspired by the of seas and vibe of the ocean.
This time we have come with a vibrant mixture of colors in ajrak. Basically, ajrak is made in blacks or reds or blue. This time we have come with the pastel colors in ajrak. Yeah. So we are incorporating ajrak into the traditional fabric into a modern fabric.
Thank you. And how does it feel to have someone walk for you today?
Yeah, she's a vibe. She's a vibe.
So then, Shamish, we want to hear from you on your experience walking down the runway at Lakme Fashion Week.
Look center.
Well, I've walked for the Fashion Week, Lakme Fashion Week many times, and it's always been an amazing experience. Today, this was the first time I walked for Sejal, and I loved the entire collection. What I especially love is how beautifully she's blended the contemporary designs into the age-old technique of block printing and dyeing on the fabric of ajrak. So I think it's a perfect romance that she's created between modern and age-old tradition, and keeping the heritage alive. Not to forget that it's also keeping in mind the livelihood of many artisans who are totally dependent on this technique. So I think all in all, it was a winner, and I'm very, very happy today that I am walking for the Sejal.
Well said. Of course, all of that work and all of your hard work has come together so well. Congratulations to you. Charu and Vasundhara, tell us a little bit about Azura.
Hi, thank you. But Azura is the perfect balance between nature. Azura is the perfect balance between nature and form, and we've used a very strong color palette, and it's all the thing about our brand is we are into contemporary luxury occasion wear, and we just try to make it accessible for everyone.
Anything you want to add about this beautiful, beautiful outfit today?
So for this is Dinah embodies the perfect CNB woman. So it is the embroidery. This lehenga, when we just thought that it's got to be on Dinah. We've seen her walk so many times and always dreamt about this. So I'm so happy that she's walking for us.
Dinah, your vision today. You walked for One Infinite many times before, and how does it feel to be a CNB showstopper?
You know what's really special is that it's Charu and Vasundhara's debut at Lakme Fashion Week.
Congratulations.
So congratulations for a spectacular show. And I'm really, really happy that I could be part of your special day. I hope I made it special.
How does it feel to be back at Fashion Week?
Oh, it's great. Thank you. I feel like the runway is just like my second home. So it's always great to be here wearing this beautiful outfit today. What I love the most is the neutral color tones. That's very much my personal style as well. Also the fact that this is very much Indian wear, but there were so many different silhouettes on the runway, from pants to jackets, shararas, kurtis. It wasn't just lehengas, there were saris as well. So yes, I'd say the silhouettes, the work, flower motifs that ran through the collection, as well as the muted color tones are what really had me.
I mean, I think congratulations are in order in general. Congratulations to you, Charu and Vasundhara, to Sejal for this beautiful collection, to both of you for being back again, and to One Infinite for bringing and curating this really nice showcases at Lakme Fashion Week XFDCI each season. Thank you so much, Krishna. If you could just do one round of photos, and then I'll request Diana and Sonal to do solos as well. Cameramen are waiting.
हो गया तो दे सकते हैं।
सबका दिल बराबर नहीं हो रहा है ना।
Ma'am, one look here.
तो पीछे आके खींच लेना।
Done? Say ना brother. तब तो वो रहे बाइक कर रहे थे।
पीछे आ गया पीछे। ये थोड़ा पोडियम से
आई साहब
सेंटर में ले।
भाई वो सेंटर कैसे हो गया?
बस नहीं और जाने दो, हमारे आगे ऊपर। थोड़ा इधर की
बस बस।
अरे क्या कर रहे हो
दादा मेरा सेंटर है।
तेरा सेंटर नहीं, अभी जो ट्राइपॉड लगता है ना
सुनो ना,
अभी ये जो कैमरे लगे अभी इसका सेंटर है ना, इसका उसको समझा ना रे टेक्निकल नहीं।
as always, tell us something about your outfit and tell us something about your this accessory.
So, firstly, as you all know, I'm wearing this beautiful design by Sejal Kamdar, and I absolutely love this outfit. Like I said earlier, what I really like about it is that it's a perfect romance between a contemporary design and the age-old technique of block printing and dyeing on the fabric ajrak. And I think she has sort of done this union very, very beautifully and very effortlessly. So I like that. That's the colors that I'm wearing are exactly the colors that I like. This is very much my personal style. In fact, this is my favorite color. The majority of it is blush pink, which is my favorite color. The accessories, there are pearls, and then this beautiful flower that I'm wearing. I think everything just represents the ocean. So she's used the oceans of the sea, sorry, the whites of the sea and the ocean. So that's why we have a pearl, this like a shell kind of a thing. Again, very romantic. The entire collection for me means romance.
रैम्प वॉक की अगर हम बात करें तो सबसे खास बात क्या हो जाती है, और फैशन की अगर हम बात करें तो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है फैशन में आपके लिए?
आई थिंक मेरे लिए फैशन में जो मैंने हमेशा से कहा है कि मैं पर्सनली कभी ट्रेंड्स को फॉलो नहीं करती. आई थिंक फैशन और आपका जो स्टाइल होता है वो इंडिविजुअल स्टाइल होता है, इसीलिए उसे स्टाइल कहते हैं. हर इंसान का एक अलग स्टाइल होता है एंड दैट्स व्हाट एवरीवन शुड डू. Always experiment, always do and wear what feels right on you, because that is when you're going to own it, and then you're going to do it.
सोनल मैम, आप इंटरव्यू में आपने कहा कि इस लाइन मतलब एज अ मॉडल या एज अ आर्टिस्ट आपको नहीं बनना था, लेकिन अनएक्सपेक्टेड आप आ गए जी. आपने मिस इंडिया का टाइटल जीता, फिर उसके बाद मतलब आप मॉडल भी थे, आप अब एक्सेस भी हो गए, आपने ऑलरेडी टाइटल जीता. जो ये मॉडल के बिहाइंड द सीन रहता है उसके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे, या फिर वो जो डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन करते हैं सबके बारे में शेयर?
आई थिंक लाइफ में कोई भी चीज़ हो, कोई भी प्रोफेशन आप चूज करें, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नॉट जस्ट प्रोफेशन, एनीथिंग इन लाइफ you want to be successful, it's very important to be disciplined. So model का जो career है या profession है, that's no different. You know, you have to follow certain diet and physically and more importantly mentally very healthy. So that's where it was when I was doing that. But मैं सबसे ज़्यादा focus कर रही हूँ वो अपनी overall well-being और mental health और physical health कर रही हूँ. No matter which path I'm taking, whether I'm taking a model like I did today on the ramp, or whether I'm doing my mantra is the same.
Last question.
Okay, you'll find lots of tracksuits because comfort for me is very, very important. Denim shorts. I like denims with white t-shirts. So that is
center.
Fine. Apart from that, sometimes when you have to go out, a little black dress.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. भी करवाना था, मुझे सोलो भी नहीं हुई. आप साइड में आ जाओ. Thank you.
वो बोल भाई वो अभी है क्या कोई?
मनी के वेदर, आगे के वेदर.
हाँ. हमारा हम लोग क्यों? चलो बाय. हमारे चलो मचान आ जाओ भाई. चल जा जीत लो. इकडे चल भाई रहने दो. बस अरे नहीं सामने सबको मिलेगा ना.
Ma'am, Lakme Fashion Week is all about fashion.
Yes.
What is fashion for you?
पीछे आ जा.
Fashion for me is my expression of who I am. I think the way I dress also defines
my personality and what I'm feeling, my mood on a certain day. I think it's very much an expression.
And आज का outfit के बारे में tell us something.
I'm wearing today this beautiful lehenga by Sharath Masundra. It was their debut at Lakme Fashion Week and first show, so it was very special. And I felt really good to be being a part of it. I love the color. It's this muted champagne kind of beige, and I just love the fact that their collection was had very muted tones. It had this very beautiful pearls and also it brings the awareness. I just feel really good when you're all dressed up with hair and makeup and stunning outfits. So it's overall quite a lot. Different washes of jeans. I'm a really jeans and t-shirt maker, so yeah, a very good fitting crisp white shirt and tank, like basic tank top that you can wear with different
सेंटर लुक कैमरा कैमरा लुक बोलो सेंटर yeah center look.
So I think it's very important to style yourself basis your body, like whether you're tall, short, your bone structures. I think it's important to know what suits you and what doesn't, and kind of style yourself accordingly. That's more important in my opinion than just blindly following trends that are really sometimes trends don't always suit everyone. So I'm a very kind of trend. So even if there's something that's super trendy and I feel it doesn't suit me, I'm confused.
Thank you so much. Thanks. You want to do a visual response?
What is that?
Yeah, he wants to do a...
Well, let's do a common visual.
Last, last.
हाँ तो ठीक है वाइट कर विजुअल क्या नहीं विजुअल ले रहे बाइट ले रहे पोडियम पीछे ले लेते ले पीछे जाइए हो गया ना बाइट्स हो गया ना पीछे ले हाँ हेलो थैंक
हाँ अरे वो मैंने उसको बोला जाने Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. चल
Let's do it more fun. Come.
I'm going to read both.
Now look here. On the left hand side.
Just get
Look
center, Arjun sir.
Look center. Here.
Center.
Thank you.
Goodbye, you guys. Yeah. Come. Just go with Island.
No, it's been good. Oh, yeah, pass.
Ladies and gentlemen, Label Deme brought an element of dreamy, ethereal fashion at Lakme Fashion Week XFTCI. We have with us the designer Gabriella and her muse Sakshi Sundwani. Gabriella, could you just hear a little bit about the collection? Tell us where the inspiration came from.
So I've been spending a lot of time in Goa. We actually live between Goa and Bombay and have kind of become a bit of a beach girl. And there's this, really lovely moment when you've been on the beach the whole day and you're sunburnt and your hair's all beachy and sexy, and then you get ready for a night out. So my vision was to just see the girls looking like they just come off the beach in an elevated way. So I hope that everybody felt that and got that from the collection.
Now that you said it, I can totally see it translated on Sakshi. How does it feel to have her walk down the runway today, please?
Oh, incredible. Sakshi I've known since she started her career, and it's been incredible to watch her grow, and we've both grown together. So when we had the opportunity to collaborate on this, I just thought, what better? And she just looks so gorgeous on the runway, so I'm very happy to have her.
Actually, how does it feel to walk down the runway in Deme today?
Gabriella, for me, is a true ally for inclusivity. She always has been. She's never afraid to dress really any body type, so it's just been such an honor. And thank you for giving me the most sexiest out of the beach outfit ever. Really nice.
Mermaid Sakshi.
Anything else that you would like to elaborate on the showcase that we witnessed today at London Fashion Week MTCI?
Not really. I think the clothes spoke for themselves. We also had a lot of model friends walk today, like Ricky and Anandita. And I really want to be a spokesperson for models because I think they just make the clothes look so incredible. And I was very lucky to have such a great cast. So yeah, what I'm going to say.
I couldn't stop but laugh. This is the cutest press conferences of the last 5 days.
And I think his dad is officially off duty because he's given up right now.
Well, congratulations are in order.
Thank you so
Love
much.
to have you at Lakme Fashion Week MTCI. Congratulations to you on this lovely walk. Thank you so much.
Thanks, guys. All right. Show you the
ये GTA सेंटर में कर देना.
Gabriella ma'am, tell us something about
About the Fashion Week, I will say that they have done another incredible job, and they're just elevating it, and the production gets better, and the planning gets better. So I really feel like it's such a great thing that we have in India, and they've done such a fantastic job. So it's always an honor to be a part of it, because it is definitely the best show in India. So I'm very happy and blessed and lucky to be a part of it. The collection, I think, I say this every time, but this is definitely my favorite because we really went above and beyond with everything. We did our own shoes, we did our own bags, so kind of customized all the jewelry. So it was definitely my most in-depth show and very detailed with accessories and everything, but I had a lot of fun doing it.
how was it working with Sakshi? Outfit, your plans.
So, like I said, I have worked with Sakshi before. We've customized pieces for her and we've dressed her. And I feel like I wanted to make her look her best and, not bombard her with too many things and just really showcase her. She has a beautiful face. She has a very fun body. So I really wanted her to look and feel hot, and I think she did.
So special for you because producer is here, your kid is there.
Yeah, my kid has taken over the
They were having fun during the press conference.
He was, as he always does.
About this emotional moment and
Yeah, I mean, he is, my number one fan, I think, Arik. And he's actually wearing a design that my team made for him because he insisted that he also be wearing something from Demi. So yeah, it's just amazing to have them both here. Little babies at home, he's too young to come, but yeah.
you tell Arjun sir what to wear, not
No, I wouldn't dare tell him what to wear. I think he's been a fashion icon for way longer than anybody, and he knows exactly what to wear. He'll sometimes tell me what to wear, so I think.
Thank you.
Not beach. The feeling that you get from being
Center.
being sunburned and then going on a night out.
Look, Center.
I think all women know what that feels like.
She's
You know
applying
that,
But we are not getting to
yeah, and I think that's what we wanted to capture that moment.
इसलिए बोलते हैं दूर रखना इसको पोडियम को ये प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं उसके ब्रेन में यार
this summer. I think butter yellow is amazing, and that's going to be a color that we see a lot. Pale purple. And I think as well as having more elegant garments, I think we're seeing a bit of a resurgence of sexy sheer on the runways. So I think that sexy boys in.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
ये तू सामने आ रहा है इस पे कैमरे पे हो गए बनी इधर आ रहा है थोड़ा साइड में
Thank you so much.
I just want to add, it's not just about the beach that she's saying. I was surprised to see whether it.
Hello.
अरे पूरा बनता है बस कड़ाक आगे लेते हैं अरे ये बोलता तो पूरा वहाँ बस अच्छा तो आया
I'm looking. I'm looking.
Together.
I'm good.
Come. Thank you. The platform belongs to both of you.
Me?
I made it with you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Rana gives contemporary fashion offering turned heads at Lakme Fashion Week XMTCI. We have with us the designer herself and her muse Madhuri. If you could just tell us a little bit about the collection and then we'll move on to how Madhuri turned heads today at this showstop in outfit.
So I'll be really quick. The collection is called Urban Prairie. It's an urban lady who's got a really busy urban life, but her headspace lives in a prairie. So here's Madhuri Dixit, our Urban Prairie.
Thank you. Madhuri, if you could tell us how it felt to walk down the runway. You look absolutely stunning.
Thank you. Thank you. I know, I mean, this is a gorgeous pantsuit. Thank you so much. Like she said, we all are very urban ladies and we live in the cities, but you know, there are always some flowers growing here and there, and you look at it and you go like, yeah, this is our prairie. So this was my prairie today. It was beautiful, made me feel confident, and made me happy, you know, just to walk because very wearable. You can wear it anywhere, and that's what I liked about it. And it's so light and it's beautiful.
Anything else that you both like to add about your experience today, the collection, feeling in general?
I'm so happy with this partnership. I was so pleased when Madhuri said yes to us. And my husband, by the way, is a white American male. Even he was so excited. He said, oh my God, do you really need another muse? This is it. The buck stops here. So I'm so grateful.
Truly, I think the show did stop when Madhuri walked out.
Thank you. And for me, I think I was hooked onto your Insta. Frankly. And I was looking at everything you were doing, and it was like, oh, I love this. What is she making? And you know, and suddenly I get this call, and you know, she wants you to walk for her. And I said, of course, I'm there because I really love what she's doing. And as you saw today, I mean, each costume was like amazing. Whether they were pantsuits or you know gowns, and it was so electric. I felt, and that's all. You were brilliant. It's a great show.
Well, you really did put on a show today, and so did you. We're glad to have you both here. What a great stellar showcase at day 5 of Lakme Fashion Week XMTCI, and we hope to see you both again. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Elaborate more on the management and this cloud.
It's a pantsuit made to measure. It's bespoke for Madhuri. And we did a beautiful crystal and floral brooch detailing. There's a little bralette inside. It's got roses. It's engineered. Lots of rhinestones. It's a star outfit for a superstar. I'm sorry?
Fabric.
It's a double crepe sheet.
Is it your style making? Is it what?
Well, I love pantsuits. You might have seen me a lot of times wearing pantsuits because it's a very modern, chic, elegant, silhouette, and I love it because it's timeless.
Ma'am, please. Madhuri ma'am, सबसे पहले you are looking very beautiful. Tell us something about the outfit and what's best about Lakme Fashion Week.
Well, I think what's best about Lakme Fashion Week is it lets all these designers show their talent, their artistry, and we have so much talent in our country. So we need these kind of platforms where they can show it not only for India but also globally. It goes everywhere, and I feel very proud being an Indian. And that was what I was feeling when I was walking down the I have many years, and I can tell you it was a lovely experience. Not just because I was walking the ramp, because I was feeling the love from the audience, and that's what made it happen, and that's what was the happiest moment.
मैम किस
स्टाइल आइकॉन फॉर एवरीवन तो पागल में है याद करती है तो उसमें आपका ड्रेस वैसा ड्रेस में आपका खाना तो हर एक में आपने एक्सेप्ट किया अपने आउटफिट कल रूटीन को फॉलो करते हैं तब से अब तक आप
Well, जब हम लोग फिल्मों में स्टाइल करते हैं तो कैरेक्टर के हिसाब से हम स्टाइल करते हैं सिर्फ सॉन्ग में लेकिन हमेशा यही रहा है कि एलिगेंस होना चाहिए, टाइमलेस लगना चाहिए और कैरेक्टर को फिट होना चाहिए।
मैम कैसा लगता है जब सालों से लोग आपके फैशन को, आपके स्टाइल को फॉलो करते आ रहे हैं और कहते हैं कि माधुरी जैसा स्टाइल है, कैसा लगता है उसे?
अच्छा लगता है प्यार है, इस तरह से वो अपना प्यार मुझे दिखाते हैं। When you influence a generation, it speaks a lot for your artistry और वो appreciate हो रही है इसी बात पे।
आपको किसका स्टाइल पसंद है मैम?
Well, बहुत सारे लोग हैं जैसे ऑड्री हेपबर्न है हॉलीवुड में, हमारे यहाँ गायत्री देवी थी जो बहुत अच्छा उनका स्टाइल था और रेखा जी ने also thank you.
We'll do a मैम आपको बिल्कुल करना है। बोलो सर। राइट हैंड साइड हो गया, राइट हैंड साइड दादा चलो मैम सेंटर मैम यहाँ पे चलो है ना मैम यो अरे तू आप एक काम करो साथ